So here we are at the end of round 10. I've done my 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space, and now I'm going to just connect it. To connect it, I'm going to do a slip stitch into the third chain of chain 3 from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, the third chain of chain 3, a slip stitch to connect like that. So this is what my piece looks like. At the end of this round, we have changed from a circle to a square. So now for round 11. For round 11, we are going to begin with a chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to double crochet in each of the next 2 double crochet. So we have our first double crochet here. We're going to do a double crochet into there. 1, and then the second one, 2, and that's what it looks like. Now we're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the next chain 3 space, so this space right here. 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, and 3 double crochet into the same chain 3 space. 1, 2, and 3, like this. And now we'll do a double crochet in each of the next 5 double crochet. So the 5 double crochet are here. 1 double crochet in each of the next 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, like this. Now you do 5 double crochet in the next chain 5 space. So in the chain 5 space here, 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you skip the next 2 single crochet and single crochet in the next single crochet. So here's 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. We will skip the next 2, and then the third one we will do 1 single crochet. Now we will do 7 single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Chain 5 space is here. We will do 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you will do a single crochet in the next single crochet. So here's the next one. Then you will 5 double crochet in the next chain 5 space. So here's our chain 5 space, 5 double crochet. So we will skip the next 2 single crochet here and work directly into the chain space, 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you will do a double crochet in each of the next 5 double crochet. So here are 5 double crochet. We'll do 1 double crochet in each of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And then we will do 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the next chain 5 space. And then we will repeat all the way around. So the pattern for this round is that when you get to the corner after we do our 5 double crochet, we will, in this chain 3 space, we do 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. And then we are at our next 5 double crochet, we will do 1 double crochet in each of the next 5 double crochets. Following that, you will do 5 double crochet in the next chain 5 space. You will skip the next 2 single crochet And in the third single crochet, you will do a single crochet. Then in the next chain 5 space, you will do 7 single crochet. Then you will do a single crochet in the next single crochet. Then you will skip the next 2 single crochet and work 5 double crochet into the next chain 5 space. Then you will work 1 double crochet in each of the next double crochets here for a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like we have here. Then you're at your next corner again, where you do 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, and then you're here where you do 1 double crochet in each of the next 5 double crochet, and then you're at your chain spaces again. Okay, so that's the pattern all the way around. I will meet you at the end of this round. So here we are at the end of round 11. I have finished my double crochets. I've done my last 2 double crochets, 1 in each of the remaining 2 double crochets here, and then all I have is my chain 3 from the beginning left to connect it to there. I'm going to do a slip stitch into the third chain of chain 3, so counting from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, the third chain from chain 3, a slip stitch to connect, like that. And this is what my piece looks like at the end of this round. So let's begin round 12. To begin round 12, we're going to change our color. We're going to take our white and we're going to pass it through our loop to change our color for the border, like this. Now we are going to chain 1 and do a single crochet into the same stitch, so the same third chain of chain 3, a single crochet, like this. So after we change our color, we are now going to cut our first color away, because we're done with that, and we're just going to use our second color for the border. So after we chain 1 and our single crochet into the same beginning stitch, we're going to do 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 double crochet. So each stitch has 2 loops. This is the front loop, this is the back loop. In the back loops only, we're going to do our single crochets all the way around. So whenever we do a single crochet, it will always be in the back loop for this round. So we're going to do 1 single crochet in the next 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, and you should have 2 double crochets left over untouched. After our third single crochet, we're going to do a small picot. For a small picot, we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and do a slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. So the first one here and the second one right here, we're going to do a slip stitch. And that completes our small picot. And now we will do 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 double crochet. So our first one here, again always in the back loop for our single crochets, and 2, like that. Now we will do now we are at our chain 3 space. We will do 1 single crochet in the first chain of chain 3. Okay, the first chain, we will do 1 single crochet, like that. Now you have 2 chains left over. In the second chain, we are going to do a single crochet, small picot, single crochet, large picot, single crochet, small picot, single crochet. So that means all in this chain space, all in this chain. So it's not the chain space, it's the chain itself. We're going to do all of that into. So let's begin a single crochet into this chain, and then a small picot. So a small picot, chain 2, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook, 1, 2. The second chain is this one. Slip stitch into there to complete your small picot. Now you will single crochet back into this chain. Now you do a large picot. So large picot, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to slip stitch into the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. The third one is here. A slip stitch. Like that. Now you will do a single crochet back into the chain. And now you do a small picot again, so 1, 2, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Then you will do a single crochet back into the same chain once again. And there we have it, and then we have 1 chain left over, this one here. We will do a single crochet into this final chain. Like this. So we created that. Okay. Now we will single crochet in each of the next 2 double crochets. So the first double crochet, the second double crochet, once again in the back loops. Now we will do a small picot, so chain 2 and do a slip stitch into the second chain from hook, like that. And then you will do single crochet in each of the next 11 double crochet. So in each of the next 11 double crochet, 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11.
So this is what it looks like. You will be here, and now you are at your single crochets. You will slip stitch in the next single crochet. So for the slip stitch, we will do it in both loops. So both loops like normal, not only the back, but both loops. A slip stitch. Okay. And now you will do a single crochet in each of the next 7 single crochet. So 1 single crochet in each of the next 7 single crochet. Once again, because we are doing single crochets, we are doing it in the back of the stitch, so the back loop. Six and 7, and then we have 1 single crochet left over. We will do a slip stitch into there, and because it's a slip stitch, we will do it in both loops, so the front and the back like a normal slip stitch. Okay, so we have this so far. We have single crochets or slip stitch, single crochets, slip stitch, and now we're getting to the corner. We will do 1 single crochet in each of the next 11 double crochet. Once again, because we are doing single crochets, we are working in the back loops of these stitches. We're in 11, so you have 2 double crochet left over. After you're done your 11, we will repeat like we've done here. So that's the pattern for this round. Whenever we do a single crochet, we will work in the back loop of the stitch. Whenever we do a slip stitch, we will work in both loops, the front and the back, like a normal stitch. So after you do your 11 single crochets here, you have 2 double crochets left. You will do a small picot, then you will do 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 double crochet. Then you are here at your corner. In the first chain of the 3, you will do a single crochet. In the second chain, you will do this, which is a single crochet, small picot, single crochet, large picot, and then single crochet, small picot, single crochet, all in this chain. Then you will do a single crochet into the next chain. Then you're here on your double crochets. In the first 2 double crochets, you will do a single crochet. Then you will do a small picot. Then you will do a double crochet in the next 11 double crochets. Then you are here on your single crochets here. In the first single crochet, you will do a slip stitch. Then you will do 1 single crochet in each of the next 7 single crochets. Then you are here on your last stitch, you will do a slip stitch. Then you will do 1 single crochet in each of the next 11 double crochets. You will do a small picot. Then you have 2 double crochets left over. You will do 1 single crochet into each of those. Then you're at your corner. In your corner, the first chain, you will do a single crochet. The second chain, you will do single crochet, small picot, single crochet, large picot, single crochet, small picot, single crochet. Then you will do a single crochet into the third chain. Then you're back here, you will do the first 2 double crochet, 1 single crochet into each of those, then you do a small picot, and then you will do 1 single crochet into each of the next 11 double crochet, and then you're here again for your slip stitch and your single crochets. And so that's the pattern all the way around. I will meet you at the end of this round. So here we are at the end of this round. I have to connect it. To connect it, I'm just going to do a slip stitch into the beginning single crochet of the round. So the beginning single crochet, a slip stitch. Now we have finished the square, so what I'm going to do is block it. So to block it, all I'm doing is pinning it down using some pins onto a piece of cardboard. Then I'm going to take an iron and steam it. And what that's going to do is relax all the fibers. So I'm just going to leave it to dry. So here we are at the end of this tutorial. This is what my piece looks like after blocking. This is the back. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Check out my other videos on my channel and subscribe for more videos.